Merry Christmas. So welcome back to Patchworks. Today I am making a quick video. If you haven't seen, a few videos ago I made a table, which I will link here, maybe, right now, as well as at the end of this video. And it's just a wooden table with a light finish on it. Therefore, I need coasters. Now we have placemats, which are just kind of wood slats, like slices of wood that we had for our baby shower. And I am just going to be upcycling my Christmas tree here, which has just been sitting in the corner of my yard. And I'm gonna make a few chops out of this into some coasters. Gonna be a quick video, just one way to use this. I'm gonna, everything that's not used here, I'm gonna end up chopping up, throwing in a compost pile that we're starting. A lot more outdoor content is gonna be coming up as the weather gets nicer. We're gonna be planting basically this whole lawn right here. We're really excited for that. We ordered a bunch of seeds and sprouts, which are en route. But to start off with, let's cut off some of these leaves. And as I'm doing this, maybe I should just use an axe, but I think I'm gonna use the pole saw. Hey-o. All right, I'm gonna cut this off right here. Oh my God. Whew. Done with this. Back in the corner. So, I'm gonna just have this one edge to clean up. I don't even know if we're gonna go down that far. I think we're only gonna make like 5, maybe 6, and probably won't need to go down that far, but we'll see. Goodness, I gotta get a better place for that. Can't keep leaving it in my basement. So, you guys know this drill, but I'm gonna start off with a clean edge. Try to. I don't even know what thickness this is. I'm gonna eyeball it, because 1 inch is thick. 1/2 inch. Well, this ain't working. That was not working. So, I think I might try hand sawing instead. This is insane. Why is this so hard? What the fuck? So, here's the thing. I'm an idiot. As anyone who's watched these videos for any amount of time, that was super dangerous. This thing had kicked back and flew off. And I forgot that I literally just got this bandsaw here. And this bandsaw is exactly what I fucking need for this. So that is what I'm going to use. So I have this little guide here, which will help me make even cuts, hopefully. I just have to plug this back in. I don't know, I think I'd call that a success. So I'm just gonna be sanding these really quickly. I'm just gonna sand them 80, 100, 120, and then I'm gonna be just doing a tung oil on them. It's a little bit more durable than linseed, holds up a little bit better to water. My wife's definitely going to say that these are too small of coasters, but this is what we're getting. So we're just going to do that and try to figure out what the best way to sand this. These are all sanded up to 120 grit, and I think that's where I'm going to keep them. I actually have to go run out and grab some tung oil because I don't have any. Home Depot's supposed to have a tiny bottle. Hopefully it's a tiny bottle. But I think it's something I'm going to keep using a lot more of. So I'm going to go grab that, and then I'm pretty sure it's as simple as just wipe on and let it cure, and they should be good to go by tomorrow morning. So let's do a little bit of cleaning up. So this is the only, definitely not a lint-free rag, but this is the only rag that I have. Tung oil, one-step finish. It says wipe it on, let it soak for 15 minutes, then wipe it off. Oh, you know what it said first? Shake well. Doesn't really look like anything special. Some cool texturing on here, I guess. This stuff's like soaking right in. I'm gonna do another pass because it seems to have just gotten like immediately absorbed. Oh my god. I don't know what the fuck I thought was gonna happen there, but I guess the sides are getting coated as well. Oh no. The dye is coming off. Well, shit. So I'm going to let that set it for about 15 minutes before buffing, and then, well, in the interim, I am going to try to clean up the garage yet again. It's a never-ending battle of me doing stuff, not cleaning up immediately, doing more stuff, not cleaning up, and then being like, fuck, I have to clean it up. It's been about 15 minutes now. It's a weird finish. Maybe I just didn't polish this quite enough. It doesn't really look like much of a finish. Just kind of looks a little dry. I mean, it looks a little damp, rather. Well, yeah, I don't really know what the deal is with these. I mean, those like dark spots in the wood came out a whole lot darker. They kind of just look dirty. Looks cool though, all stacked up like that. But yeah, so just gonna let these cure, I guess, overnight. See how they look in the morning. So here it is, the very quick and probably too tiny coasters that I made, but this was super quick. Almost lost a finger. Didn't tell my wife about that. But I'd much prefer make crappy coasters than just see the Christmas tree go to waste. You know, I was planning on just kind of grinding it up and chopping it up for mulch or to put into the compost pile. But this is, I think, very cute. I think it matches our, what are these called? I think they match our chargers very well. These are from our baby shower, and we decided to use them as chargers. And I think the coasters kind of match them perfectly. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know what you think you would use your Christmas tree for instead of just letting it rot in the yard. Drop a like if you liked the video. Drop a like if you didn't like the video. Please like this video. I'm very desperate. Subscribe if you want to see more content coming out every week. And I'll see you guys on the next one.